Huddle together, Museumiers. Here comes our tiny stowaway. On board the M.A. James he sailed, now docked in Swansea Bay. He nestles deep below the deck to hide from captain's crew. Now they've jumped ship, he found himself a stowaway in our museum too. Every night we lock the doors and bid our visitors no stir. He scurried through the galleries, ready for adventure. He waits for our manager to bolt that final lock. Once he's safe and out of danger, out he pops inside the Robin Goch. He'll swoosh, he'll soar, he'll fly. He'll live out his pilot dream. There's endless activities you can try inside the Waterfront Museum. With his lucky tree-corn hat, he explores our history, meeting bright inventors and buccaneers who've sailed across the sea. Aboard the Penydarren, our steam-fueled locomotive, he tip-taps on the pedals and gets the engine started. A click, a clack. A key goes in the latch. It can't be. So soon? It's all the museum staff. Out from the cockpit, away from the caboose, he scurries along the balcony. Quick, hide, Morys Mouse! Adventure's over for the night. He cleverly runs away. Undetected, so he thinks. But wait, there's another trick at play. Waiting for our museum mouse at the top of our rainbow stairs, it's Morris's lucky tree-corn hat. Now I wonder, who put that there?